As you can see, the subfloor underneath is tongue and groove. You can see through the vinyl right here. Very, very soft here. This transition will need to come up and put a end molding there. Same with this door right here. We'll need to install baseboards. Transition. Transition, baseboards. Transition. As you can see here, this is the tongue and groove. There's carpet in this room, same tongue and groove underneath with pad on it. This is crown molding that was put down for baseboard. We need to remove that and install baseboards. And we need to go over the entire floor with 3/4 inch plywood. This needs to be in mold at that door, exterior door there. Goes through here. Into this room, we need to remove these baseboards and put new baseboards, as well as cover this with a 3/4 inch plywood. In molding.
And you're asking for a return of the dog rock. That's your house. Yes, sir.